Hello, my dear students. I Rahul Mishra, and today we will start a new chapter number 2, and it is atomic structure. It is atomic structure. So listen. In this chapter, first we will discuss about fundamental or elementary particles of atom. So what are the fundamental or elementary particle of atom? So since we all know that any atom is composed up of very small tiny particles, we all know that an atom is composed up of very small tiny particles. These particles are called as fundamental particles or elementary particle. So listen here. It means we can say कोई भी एटम छोटे से छोटे कणों से मिलकर बना होता है. ये कण फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल कहलाते हैं या इन्हीं को मूल कण भी कहते हैं. So listen now. What are the types of fundamental particles? So fundamental particle is of two types. First one is stable fundamental particle and second one is unstable fundamental particle. Now first we will discuss stable fundamental particles. So those particles which exist independently outside from the nucleus. इट मीन्स ऐसे पार्टिकल जो न्यूक्लियस के बाहर फ्री स्टेट में एग्जिस्ट कर सकते हैं, देन दैट पार्टिकल आर कॉल्ड एज स्टेबल फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल एंड दे आर सेड टू बी स्टेबल. सो फॉर एग्जांपल इलेक्ट्रॉन, प्रोटॉन, न्यूट्रॉन, these particles can exist independently. Positron, neutrino, these also are the examples of stable fundamental particle. Now we talk about unstable fundamental particle. So those particles which can exist outside of the nucleus for an instant. इट मीन्स कुछ ऐसे भी पार्टिकल होते हैं जो न्यूक्लियस के बाहर कुछ ही क्षण के लिए रुकते हैं या एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, देन दैट पार्टिकल आर कॉल्ड एज अनस्टेबल फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल्स. फॉर एग्जांपल वी कैन से पाई mesons आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ अनस्टेबल फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल. सो पाई mesons इज ऑफ थ्री टाइप. These are represented as pi plus, pi minus and pi zero. एक पर प्लस चार्ज है, एक पर माइनस और एक पर जीरो चार्ज है. Now we will study some characteristics or properties of electron, proton and neutron. So listen here. So we have three fundamental particles here: electron, proton and neutron. So first we will talk about electron. So electron is discovered by J.J. Thomson. Its symbol is -1 E0 or -1 beta 0. Its charge is 1.602 into 10 to the power -19, but it is negatively charged. It is negatively charged. So its mass in AMU is 0.000548 AMU, means atomic mass of unit. But what is its mass in kg? Its mass in kg is 9.109 into 10 to the power -31. What is its radius? So its radius is 2.8 into 10 to the power -16. And what is its E by M ratio? E by M means charge on electron and mass of electron. So this ratio is found to be -1.75 into 10 to the power 11 and the unit is coulomb per kg, coulomb per kg, because E by m means E means charge, the unit of charge is coulomb, and mass, the unit of mass is kg, so coulomb per kg. So now we will discuss second fundamental particle, and it is proton. So proton is discovered by Ernest Rutherford. While its experiment is the discovery of proton in the discovery of proton, the experiment is carried out by Goldstein. The experiment was carried by Goldstein, but Rutherford named this particle photon. So it is discovered in 1886. Its symbol is 1p1r1h1. Its charge is 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and it is positive. Now its mass in AMU is 1.00757 AMU. Now its mass in kg is 1.672 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Its radius is 10 to the power minus 13, and its E by m ratio means the ratio of charge of electron and mass of proton. It is found to be 9.58 into 10 to the power 7. Now we will talk about neutron. So neutron is discovered by James Chadwick. So listen, here it is missing James Chadwick. James Chadwick is the discoverer of neutron. So James Chadwick, so it is missing here. So note down in your notes who is the discoverer of neutron. It is James Chadwick. Chadwick is the discoverer of neutron. Now so listen, symbol of neutron is 0 and 1. Charge on neutron is 0. Mass of neutron in AMU is 1.00893. Mass of neutron in kg, it is 1.675 into 10 to the power minus 27. Radius of neutron is 10 to the power minus 13, and E by m ratio of neutron is 0. Now we will discuss some important points. So radius of nucleus, always learn it. It is about 1 into 10 to the power minus 13 centimeter, or we can say 10 to the power minus 13 centimeter. Radius of atom is 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. So discovery of nucleus is given by Rutherford. E by m ratio of helium ion, or it is said to be alpha particle, and it is found to be minus 4.79 into 10 to the power 7 into 10 to the power 7 coulomb per kg. So listen, you have to know atomic volume. Atomic volume means volume of atom. Volume of atom is equal to 10 to the power 15 times volume of nucleus. Volume of nucleus, it means एटम का वॉल्यूम न्यूक्लियस के वॉल्यूम का 10 की पावर 15 टाइम्स ज़्यादा होता है. इट मीन्स एटम साइज ऑफ एटम इज लार्जर फ्रॉम न्यूक्लियस, or we can say in another words, size of nucleus is very small in comparison to total size of atom. Now we will discuss. So listen, in this page you have to write here James Chadwick. Now we will discuss some important note about neutron. So listen, neutron is unstable particle, but it form stable nucleus with proton. इट मीन्स इसका मतलब न्यूट्रॉन जो होता है वो अनस्टेबल होता है, लेकिन जब ये प्रोटॉन के साथ एडजस्ट करता है न्यूक्लियस के अंदर तो ये अपनी स्टेबिलिटी को मेंटेन कर लेता है. सो लिसन, न्यूट्रॉन एडजस्ट विद प्रोटॉन इनसाइड द न्यूक्लियस. सो वन न्यूट्रॉन इज मेड अप ऑफ वन प्रोटॉन एंड वन इलेक्ट्रॉन. So listen, 0 and 1 is neutron, it is the symbol of neutron. 1p1 it is the symbol of proton, and minus 1 e0 it is the symbol of electron. So listen here, one neutron is made up of one proton and one electron, and the charge on neutron will be 0. So listen here, during radioactive decay of neutron changes into proton, electron, and listen, there is another particle which is called as antineutrino. This is also subatomic particle. Now we will discuss some general introduction of atomic models. What are atomic model? So these are given to know the structure of atom. It means structure of atom को जानने के लिए atomic model दिए गए. So there are 4 atomic model. So first, Thomson atomic model, second, Rutherford atomic model, third, Bohr's atomic model, and fourth, Sommerfeld atomic model. So listen here, what is Thomson atomic model? So in this video lecture I will discuss only general introduction of atomic model, but in next video we will discuss individually each atomic models. So listen here, Thomson atomic model is given by Thomson in 1904. It is also called a raisin or plum pudding model. It is also called as watermelon model. So listen, this model explain only electrical neutrality of atom. It means ये मॉडल केवल और केवल एटम की इलेक्ट्रिकल न्यूट्रलिटी को एक्सप्लेन करता है. बट लिसन, देयर वाज सम लिमिटेशन ऑफ दिस मॉडल आल्सो. दिस मॉडल कुड नॉट एक्सप्लेन द स्टेबिलिटी एंड स्पेक्ट्रा फॉर एन एटम. इट मीन्स ये मॉडल एटम की स्टेबिलिटी और स्पेक्ट्रा को एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सका. देन नेक्स्ट साइंटिस्ट came and he proposed their atomic model, and which is called as Rutherford's atomic model. It is given by Ernest Rutherford in 1911. So this model is also called as nuclear model. It is also called as solar model. It is also called as planetary model also. So according to this model, atom is very small, spherical and electrically neutral particle. So he gave and he explained the existence of nucleus in atom, but this model has also some limitation. It could not explain the stability and atomic spectrum. It means इसकी भी कुछ limitation थी. ये मॉडल भी एटम की स्टेबिलिटी और एटॉमिक स्पेक्ट्रम को एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सका. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस Bohr's atomic model. So listen, this model is given by Niels Bohr, Niels', Niels Bohr. So listen, Niels Bohr in 1913, and this model is also called as quantized shell or orbit model. So listen, this model explain the line spectrum for one electron system. It means ये मॉडल स्पेक्ट्रम की व्याख्या करता है या एक्सप्लेन करता है, लेकिन किसके लिए? ओनली फॉर वन इलेक्ट्रॉन एटम, केवल उन इलेक्ट्रॉन के लिए या उन आयन के लिए जिनमें केवल एक इलेक्ट्रॉन होता है। फॉर एग्जांपल हाइड्रोजन, हाइड्रोजन में एक इलेक्ट्रॉन होता है। फॉर एग्जांपल वी कैन से हाइड्रोजन। सो लिसन हियर, second example is helium He+. He+ means He में होते हैं 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन। He contain 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन but He+ it means 1 electron remove, so total number of electron will be 1. In case of Li+2, so Li contain 3 electron but +2 means 2 electron get removed, it means number of electron remaining will be 1. So all these are one electron system or one electron atom. So listen, there are certain limitations also of this atomic model. It could not explain spectra for multi-electron atom. It means ये मल्टी इलेक्ट्रॉन एटम या ऐसे एटम जिनमें एक से ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन थे उनके लिए एटॉमिक स्पेक्ट्रम को एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सके। सेकेंड थिंग, इट कुड नॉट एक्सप्लेन द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन अराउंड द न्यूक्लियस। इट मीन्स यह किसी मल्टी इलेक्ट्रॉन एटम में इलेक्ट्रॉनों का अरेंजमेंट न्यूक्लियस के बाहर या एक्स्ट्रा न्यूक्लियर स्पेस में एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सके। नाउ लास्ट मॉडल आफ्टर बोर्स एटॉमिक मॉडल, it is Sommerfeld. It is Sommerfeld atomic model. It is also called as revised Bohr's atomic model. It explains fine line spectrum. It means इन्होंने फाइन लाइन स्पेक्ट्रम को एक्सप्लेन किया। फाइन लाइन स्पेक्ट्रम मीन्स जो स्पेक्ट्रम होता है उसमें कई सारी स्पेक्ट्रल लाइंस होती हैं। सो स्पेक्ट्रम कंटेन अ ग्रुप ऑफ स्पेक्ट्रल लाइंस एंड लिसन, fine spectrum means each line is made up of many lines, and this fine spectrum is explained by Sommerfeld. But listen here, this model gave the concept of sub shells or suborbits. Subshells or suborbits. So there are some certain limitation of this model. It could not explain atomic spectrum for multi-electron system. It could not explain atomic spectrum for multi-electron system. It means ये एक इलेक्ट्रॉन से ज़्यादा वाले आइटम का एटॉमिक स्पेक्ट्रम नहीं एक्सप्लेन कर सका। सो लिसन, दिस वाज द जनरल इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ एटॉमिक मॉडल्स। नाउ इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेक्चर वी विल स्टडी इंडिविजुअली ईच एटॉमिक मॉडल।